Hello everyone, let's see in today's video how we can install Python in a Mac operating system. So for that, just let's head over to a browser. Just type Python there. You can go to this first link or you can directly click on this downloads. Let's click on downloads. So you can see here it has already checked our Mac operating system, like we are trying to download for macOS and we are getting this version. So this is the version currently I'm getting while I'm recording this video. Maybe you will get a different version. So we'll go ahead and download this version for a macOS. Let's wait for this to get downloaded. Once it downloaded, just double click on it. And you can see a Python installer has just pop up for us. Now what we have to do, just follow the steps for this to install in our system. Let's go ahead and create continue. We'll accept this agreement. We just accept it. Click on agree. It is saying this much space will be required on our computer. Okay, we'll go ahead and type install. For this type of software, then when we are trying to install, we have to provide our Mac operating system password. So let's go ahead and provide the password for this. Once you have provided the password, it will start installing the Python in the system. Let's wait for this to get completed. So you can see it has completed, and what it has opened is the location of our Python file. So what it has is basically everything we can see, like the IDLE for the Python that we have to use, the license certificate and everything. Let's see what it's showing. It's showing like congratulations, your Python is successfully installed. Let's go ahead and close this. Yes, we can move the Python installer to bin because we have already installed it. Now what you can do is, otherwise you can check for the IDLE part. Like, so if you want to check if Python is installed in our Mac operating system or not, you can go and head over to the terminal. Let's go to terminal, type python 3 -- version, and see we can get a Python version here. This is the same version that we have downloaded. So now what we have to do, like you can type python 3 here, and what it will do, it is had opened the Python terminal in our this terminal only, so you can check if it is working or not. Like suppose 5 + 5, so it is getting printed here. Similarly, you can check in the Python IDLE as well. So let's check. So this is the Python IDLE. If we open it, we have to allow this, and see this is the Python IDLE shell we are here. Like if we try to print something, we are getting this. And suppose we try to print something like hello world, we will get hello world. Okay, so yeah, this is the easy way to like install Python in your system, and you can go ahead and try this. So here what I have done is created a demo Python file, and now we will check if this file is working in the system or not. So what I have done is created this file here, and I have opened in my VS Code for now. So I have written a basic code where I'm giving my name, and what I'm trying to do is print is the name. Or let's try to run this. So what you are seeing here, that it is running my name is Pratham, which is perfectly fine, it is running fine. But just in case if you are not getting this, if you are getting any error like Python is not recognized or anything, what I have seen is like basically if you are using Python 3 version, you have to do some settings changes. So go into the settings, type executor map, and then click on edit in settings.json. And after going to setting.json, just what you have to do in against the Python, you have to just add the 3 here. So by default it should be like this. You have to add 3 here and just click save, and after when you will try to run this file, it will be run just fine. Great, thanks.